Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you SciSpace, an all-in-one AI research platform that's transforming how researchers and academics work in 2026. From discovering papers to analyzing PDFs, writing manuscripts, and generating research summaries, SciSpace handles the entire research workflow in one place. Let's dive in and see it in action. First, head to SciSpace.com. If you're new, click Sign Up to create your account. You can also connect your institutional login if needed. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the platform. You'll notice SciSpace Agent, your AI research assistant for all tasks. Biomed Agent, an AI co-scientist specialized for biomedical research. A full list of AI tools designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Here's what's exciting. With the new 2026 updates, you can upload multiple PDFs, ask questions across all of them, get citation-backed answers, and even connect your Mendeley library directly. This is a real game changer for researchers. Step 1. Discover relevant papers. I start by typing a research query. SciSpace instantly finds papers, highlights research gaps, and brings the most relevant studies to my dashboard. No more manually searching across multiple databases. Step 2. Analyze papers. Next, I either upload PDFs or pull them from my Mendeley account. Let's upload up to 10 PDFs and ask a cross-document question. SciSpace provides answers with citations. You can click on any citation and it takes you to the exact location in the PDF, super important for accuracy and efficiency. Everything stays updated automatically, without manual tracking. Step 3. Write and cite. Once I have insights, I can draft manuscript sections directly in SciSpace. Citations are automatically included, so all references are grounded in the source papers. This saves hours of formatting and cross-checking. Step 4. Publish/disseminate. Finally, I can generate research summaries, reports, or grant drafts. Everything can be exported as a report or shareable summary, all from the same platform. Feature Spotlight. Integrated with workflow. These features make the workflow from discovery to publication smooth and efficient. Everything happens in one place without switching tools. These updates drastically reduce manual work, improve accuracy with citations, and save time and mental effort. Researchers can finally focus on insights and outcomes, not repetitive tasks. Before we wrap up, here's what really makes SciSpace stand out: the multi-PDF agent and its integrations. I can upload multiple research papers at once and ask one question across all of them, like common limitations in the studies. It scans everything together and gives a clear answer with citations. When I click a citation, it takes me straight to the exact paragraph in the right PDF. It makes comparing literature much faster and more reliable. SciSpace also connects with tools researchers already use. I can sync my Zotero or Mendeley library and pull papers in instantly. Any updates in my library show up automatically. It also integrates with apps like Notion, so I can send summaries and notes directly to my workspace without copying and pasting. So whether I'm reviewing studies or drafting a paper, the multi-PDF agent and these integrations make SciSpace a complete connected research workspace, not just a PDF reader. If you want to try these 2026 workflow updates yourself, visit SciSpace.com using the link in my description. Don't forget to use my coupon code for a special discount and explore how SciSpace can save you hours in your research workflow. Happy researching!